Welcome to the Teacher Portal, where teachers can see various statistics regarding their students and the classes they teach, and assign VR experiences to their classes and students. To get started, we will log in with our teacher email and password. After logging in, the first section we will see is the VR experiences. Here, we can see the VR experiences that are assigned to the teacher and some statistics related to them. You can also run the VR experience to test it. Note that you must have the latest version of SimLab Viewer installed beforehand. Clicking the Run button will automatically open the VR Viewer Studio, sign you in, and launch the VR experience. Let's demonstrate. The experience is now running and can be tried. Next up is the Classes section, where we can see the classes that are assigned to the teacher by the admin. On each class's card, we'll be able to see some related statistics to the class and the VR experience's average score for this class. To assign a VR experience to a class so that the students can access them, simply drag and drop the desired VR experience into a class of choice. This will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. Click Confirm to proceed with the assignment. Finally, there's the data table, where one can see the students per class and optionally per VR experience. There's also a search functionality for searching through the students. In addition, you can also export the selected class's data, either to a CSV or a PDF file.